This is a short trade setup for PSA public storage. We have a symmetrical triangle with a divergent high, negative and bearish divergences on all three indicators, and it looks like we had slightly broke down, and now we're back testing the bottom of that trend line off the March lows here. Beautiful primary trend line here, plenty of reaction to validate it, and again sometimes they act like magnets, and that would be good for a 6.2% drop, coinciding with this 373.07 price support, and we'll probably catch that 50-day moving average, maybe a little bit off these previous highs here, and again we'll see how it works out. But when you zoom in on the hourly here, each candle representing an hour, you've got a divergent high with nice steep negative and bearish divergences on all three indicators. And a cut right down below its zero line would be pretty bearish and damage some of the indicators. Again, this would be a pretty aggressive short entry, and you could say set some stops above its previous highs here, start scaling out. But again, the risk of 1%, 2.5%, if you give it room, depending on what kind of trader you are, you give it up a little bit more room up above that's a 2.8% stop loss versus 8.4%. And if we crack below that primary trend line and take that out, these would be some of the next targets here, and that would definitely put in a big sell signal on that primary trend line there, off the February lows of last year of 2021. So I really do feel like this stock has really got ahead of itself, and it's time to correct here with these bearish divergences, and more again at an inflection point. If we do rally up above, then we will take out those divergences, and it'll be bullish. So again, it's an aggressive short trade setup, and see if it plays out, and if not, that's what stops are for.